kama 30.
Oh.
Ndio tunazungumza. Naitoa tena.
Sawa sawa. Shukrani, siku njema. Oh, inaingia huko. Oh.
Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.
For a week or two, you come back, you find something different. See here, they are spreading the gravel. Let's find out what's the usage of spreading this. Hey, ni aje? Nikispread hivi nasaidia aje? Oh, inaingia huko. Oh. Na sasa how long itachukua maybe kabla ianze kuharibika? Eh. Oh.
Kama sita hivi ndio sasa ikuwe wiki.
Oh.
Hata huku ndio kuna wiki sana.
Oh. Eh. Okay.
Sasa itakuja kutengeneza
haina shida, zikuchukui nini? Nachukua tu chini. Sawa, nilikuwa nataka kujua tu hii kuspread inasaidia aje.
Hii inasaidia kujaza hiyo space ya huku kabla zisicheze.
Okay.
Ikuwe na space kubwa.
Alafu tena mtakuja kufagia.
Tutafagia baadaye. Yeye kama sawa watu kanyanga, ndio tunakuja. Kama 30. Ndio tunazungumza. Naitoa tena.
Sawa sawa. Shukrani, siku njema. So as you have heard, the spreading is to make sure that they lock. You see these spaces in between the cabros, and make sure that they don't, do you say shake? Or tension? Is it tension? Is it shaking? Yeah, so that is now what you are trying to find out. Compaction. So once this one they set like this, I forgot to ask if they will be compacting again, but I think they already compacted. So you see here they have spread. There is you can see the tactile paving. So they have already spread the gravel, so meaning after some time they'll come and then they will sweep in terms of they'll clean to ensure that now we as pedestrians will keep enjoying these features or these pedestrian walkways. They have actually spread all the way to the other side, so still a work in process. I think the other day we passed here, they were trying to make this one, so you can see now there is a small opening, a manhole, which they will automatically enclose. See this side. See, by the way, you go away for a week or two, you come back, you find something different. So I'm sure when you come here after a week or two, they'll have cleaned this place. You'll be walking on clean cabros, and also the tactile paving, the strip. So the work is still in progress. You can see it now. Just left from here for this stretch between Parliament and Nyayo House. You can see this is Nyayo House. So you can see remnants of the rain. It rained. Now those are the challenges during construction. It rains, you have to stop a bit. Okay, that has been it.
Speed kweli shindwa speed inakuwa ndogo sana sababu ile accident ilifanyika huko wapi kwa njia kwenda Nyeri hiyo watu 16 problem, they take your number plate.
They take your what?
They plug it.
Yeah.
Your plate number. You go to court, you come with a receipt. You will go in case of Vanya.
Oh, hey, squeeze. So ukienda kotini unarudi Nanyuki kuchukua plate. Ipi ni mpya sija?
This is Nanyuki.
Anaingia Laikipia County akifika na Rumuru.
This is Equator. What is here? hiyo tumbwa tunapokanga hivyo kidogo kidogo. Mimi nataka ile kotina yenye unasikia sauti
inaguruma. Ikibweka na nguruma unaogopa.
But it's not an effective dog. It's not.
In terms of security.
Asidhani hata maisha ina. Kuna mbwa ingine sio itakuwa sijui hata sama itakuwa nini.
Rottweiler. But most of German Shepherd ni more of a family security dog. More of a family security dog than Rottweiler. Rottweiler ni security. Juu security huwezi weka pamoja na watoto.
Inakula. Najua majesha ikula mtoto. Si friendly.
Si friendly.
Yombo utafungulia kama kwa farm. Kama kuna farm. Unataka ichunge hiyo farm.
Grill.
It's very famous with
Nyama choma.
barbecue. Let's
It's a really pretty good sized city, huh? And yep.
Ni ya gani?
It's like 80 kilometers.
80 kilometers can be gone in an hour, right?
1.5 hours. Then 20 minutes to the university. University is away from Meru. It's not in Meru. It's on your way to Maua.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.